50% is thinking of something. You get some beautiful lips. Thank you so much, Gabriel. Thank you. God bless. That means your legs are big. That is how they call in Spanish to a woman with big, beautiful legs. Ah, okay, 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 okay. Thank you so much. Yes, I have, because I'm not slim. I'm chubby, I'm fat. Taitig 94, welcome. Thank you so much. Taitig, from where are you, Taitig? From where are you, Taitig 94? God bless you, Taitig 94. Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. You will charge commission, FG. So how is it? Is it by words or what? D5, what's up? Thank you so much. From where are you, D5? Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you, thank you. Welcome, TY Tig 94. Taitig, is it Taitig? Thank you so much. Welcome. You are welcome to my channel from Chicago. For you will be free. Thank you, FG. Thank you so much. Good thing you are here and you are, you know multiple languages. Anyway, I have also sometimes, I have also my moderator here. He's from Brazil and he knows also, he can also translate sometimes. Thank you so much, FG. God bless. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. I came from Philippines, Taitig 94. I came from Philippines. I am not flirting her, guys. I am not flirting. Honestly, we are making here friends from different side of the world. And by the way, based on my experience in my life, I will not believe easily for those who are telling me that they love me. Words are not enough. So don't say words. Don't say words because I'm old enough to believe that. Oh, D5, sorry. I just read your comment. I'm so sorry for that. I'm so very frank here, guys. Can you stand up and give me a spin? Thank you so much, FG. Thank you so much. Roasters in the Philippines, I heard. Yes, there's a lot of roasters. Taitig 94, especially from Cebu. Roaster there is like for fighting. It's like fighting cock, you know. Agree with your actions. Speak more than words. Yes, FG. Yes, you are right, FG. But I'm really frank. And thank you so much for coming here. Did you just get your bicycle? I'm not using the bicycle anymore, Jan. It just got stuck here. Do they wake you up in the morning? Who? To whom are you talking, Taitig 94? Who wake me up? The roasters? Yes, of course. Like 4 o'clock in the morning, they are already too noisy. Especially